Hey YouTube, I know it's been a while, but today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get this birthmark look on this unit. So stay with me as we get into this video. Today I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Colorista Bleach, and I want to show you the products first. So in the container is the developer. I don't even know why I was smelling it, but then yeah, that's the developer. And what I'm shaking now is the bleach. So I'm going to go right ahead and pour the bleach into the developer and start bleaching this unit. So as I said earlier, I was going for the birthmark look, so I've already parted the parts where I want my bleach to be. So everything aside, I'm just going to put the bleach in there and wait for a little while for the bleach to do its work in the unit. So right now, as you can see, I'm just putting the bleach in there and making sure it touches the roots and the color gets into it very well. So when I was done, I just tried to twist that and leave it in there for a while so that the bleach can do its work. When I was done, I realized that I had some of the bleach left, so I wanted to go in and put some bleach in the hair. Like I wanted to get some highlights in there, but I realized that didn't work because the hair is a bit deeper than the frontal. I hope you get what I'm saying. The frontal is a shade lighter than the actual hair, so it was going to take a while for that to happen, or I'd have to go over and over with the L'Oreal Colorista bleach for me to get the effect because of the darker shade of the hair. But then I didn't know that. I realized that after I was done with the unit. So when I was done, I waited for a while for it to finish, and this was the outcome of the hair. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.